CS146S, the Stanford course. Every dev needs to know there is a Stanford course that most developers have never heard of. It does not teach you how LLMs work under the hood. It does not teach you the math behind neural networks. It teaches you something far more practical: how to actually use AI to build real software. It is called CS146S, and it might be the most relevant course a working developer can take right now. The course was created by Mikhail Eric. His background matters here. He completed his PhD in natural language processing at Stanford, where he was mentored by Christopher Manning, one of the top NLP researchers in the world. He built some of the first deep learning dialogue agents at a time when everyone else was still doing rule-based chatbots. He was a senior ML scientist at Amazon Alexa. He co-founded Storia AI. He has over 2,400 citations in academic papers. This is not someone teaching from a textbook. This is someone who has been in the trenches of AI engineering for years. So why did he build this course? He looked at every university AI curriculum and noticed a clear gap. Every course teaches how LLMs work, the math, the attention mechanism, the architecture. Zero courses teach how to actually use them in real development work. CS146S is that missing course. The tools it covers are the ones engineers are actually reaching for right now: Cursor, Claude Code, MCP, agentic workflows. The key insight the entire course is built on is simple and a little uncomfortable. The LLM is no longer the bottleneck. Knowing how to direct it is. Here is what the 8 weeks of the course look like. Week 1 covers LLMs and 6 core prompting techniques, and you build Python prompting exercises. Week 2 goes into how coding agents work and introduces Cursor, where you build a fast API action item extractor. Week 3 is about MCP, what the model context protocol is and how to build a custom server. Week 4 covers Claude Code automations. Week 5 introduces the Warp AI terminal. Week 6 gets into security scanning with SemGrep. Week 7 covers AI code review with Graphite. Week 8 is a multi-stack build with a demo day, where you build the same app across 3 different stacks. Notice something about that list. Each week you are not just reading slides. You are building something that a working engineer might actually ship. That is by design. Mikhail is explicit about who this course is for. It is not for people who want to vibe code, which means blindly accepting every AI suggestion, pressing tab over and over without understanding what the AI wrote. He literally says he needs to scare away the business school students. Vibe coding has no competitive advantage because anyone can do it. It cannot yet build production systems. Mikhail estimates that AI fully owning production infrastructure is still 2 to 10 years away. What vibe coding can do is build a prototype fast, which is genuinely valuable. But knowing the difference is the point. What the course does teach is 3 things. First, reading and reviewing code. You become the senior engineer reviewing your junior, which happens to be the AI. Second, trying different tools. No standard exists yet. The course wants you to find your own workflow. Third, building intuition. The ability to look at code and feel that something is off, even in a language you have never written before. There is one quote from Mikhail that summarizes the entire premise of this series. You will not be replaced by AI. But you will be replaced by an engineer who uses AI. That is not motivational fluff. It is the design principle the whole course operates from. The goal is not to understand AI deeply. The goal is to use it faster and better than the next engineer. We are going to go through week 1 of this course together. 1 concept per video. You will get the techniques, the experiments, the actual results from running the code, and the lessons that came out of it. By the end of this series, you will have a working mental model of how to use prompting techniques in real code, not just in chat interfaces. Today was the introduction. Next video, the real data on AI and software engineer jobs, and what it means for your career. Follow at Clement_Gundu for more AI engineering content. We are building in public.